Welcome to Yaoko Kitchen. My name is Yasuo Toyota, Yaoko Italian cooking advisor. I will cook spaghetti meat sauce, spaghetti Bolognese. Here is the ingredient. Spaghetti 1.6 ml, ground meat, beef and pork 160 grams, 1/4 onion, finely cut, Parmigiano-Reggiano Millesimato. Millesimato means made from cow milk that gave birth within 100 days, milky and tasty. And milk 200 milliliters, water 250 milliliters, opera, tomato and basil sauce, salt, peppers. My English is not good. Please try to understand. Put ground meat in the bowl. For 160 grams, salt 2 pinches per 100 grams, meaning the 3 pinches. Half of salt, black peppers, and mix it and make a big meatball. Doing like that. Put it in a cold pan. Add no oil, like that. And turn on heat medium. Meat leave like that. Don't break, don't touch. Until cooked bottom side. Spaghetti Bolognese recipe is a lot. This comes from Bologna city in the north part of Italy. Even Bologna, there's many recipes exist. 100% beef meat, 100% pork meat, with carrot, with red wine, many. I recommend this because of this follows 5 important Italian home cooking key points. First, easy to get recipe, nothing special. Second, simple, less ingredient. Third, quick, less cooking time. Fourth, healthy, less oil. And fifth, reasonable. Until bottom side well cooked, don't touch. You can see from the side how cooked is there. If you are not sure, see like that, how cooked it. And turn over it. Look at this color. This color is delicious color. Put onion in the pan around the meat, like this. And leave it again until this bottom side well cooked. And when it well cooked, break meatball like this. You can see color inside. This is a juicy meat color. And here, cooked meat color. Those 2 parts is a different taste. I need 2 different tastes to make good meat sauce. And mix like this. But don't break too much. Roughly break. Like this. Add opera, tomato and basil sauce. 4 spoons. After put sauce, don't mix soon. Wait until sauce was warmed. Now mix it. Again, don't break too much meat. Put water in the pan, 250 milliliters. Add milk, 200 milliliters. Turn on high heat. add 4 pinches of salt. When it is boiled, turn down to medium heat and put spaghetti in the pan. Spaghetti this end in the water, this end in the air. There is a difference for the boiling time, but don't worry. You cannot recognize when it's done. Leave it 1 minute like that. After 1 minute passed, spaghetti little bit softer, bent gently. Sink whole spaghetti in the water. When sink all the spaghetti, boil 7 minutes as indicated in the package. Gently bend and mix in the sauce, not pushing too much. I asked many Italian friends whose spaghetti bolognese recipe is best. 45% people answered my grandmother's. 50% answered my mama's. Another 5% answered this recipe. 7 minutes has passed. Sauce has reduced. No more boiling, now cooking. Spaghetti starch, combine sauce and spaghetti. Sauce has reduced even more, it's done. Add Parmigiano-Reggiano Millesimato, 2/3, and mix it. Place in the plate. First spaghetti. Put sauce on spaghetti and add left of Parmigiano-Reggiano Millesimato. I recommend this wine with spaghetti bolognese. Moletto Franconia Colli Orientale Veneto. Colli Orientale Veneto means east part of Veneto region. Only from Bologna 80 kilometers. You can buy at Yaoko. Thank you very much for watching. I hope see you again. Arrivederci.